North America now. Only UK as of now not paid any.
Europe also few places.
Particular place where you have an office actually.
Office. What's that? Where you get 90%, 70-30.
70 local.
See, I'll tell you one very interesting. You guys want to take locals. And TCS constantly and consistently went after locals. Yeah, just with respect. They match our style of working, and all that. But now Australia is saying, no.
You take your real
native locals. Similarly, every country is going in the direction. Every country.
No exception.
Every leader. So somebody was telling, there is no dearth of people, dearth of workers. The only dearth for this world is leaders. So everybody is like that. Trump, is going in one direction. And people are liking him.
Local is
the outset, I submit my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness, Sri Sri Dr. Shivakumara Swamigalu and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamigalu. Respected and distinguished chief guests of this program, heads of departments, faculty, staff, and my dear students and their parents. Very good morning to all of you. It's in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. You have decided to join SIT, and in 4 years from now, you will reach the destiny with an awesome career. With this wish, we will begin this inaugural function by invoking the blessings of Almighty. I call upon Miss Komal, 3rd semester ENC, to perform the invocation.
प्रभो गणपते परिपालय मां सततं त्वं प्रभो गणपते परिपालय मां सततं त्वं प्रभो गणपते 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 भक्तवनितनिजवैभवमोदित भव्यदविदितविनीशा भक्तवनितनिजवैभवमोदित भव्यदविदितविनीशा दन्तकान्ता विखण्डितदानव दान्तशान्तानुभावा प्रभो गणपते परिपालय मां सततं त्वं प्रभो गणपते 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 अद्रिराजतनया सुखतात्मज अग्रचूडगणराजा अद्रिराजतनया सुखतात्मज अग्रचूडगणराजा कृत्यदैत्यगणगजमुख सुन्दर कृष्णतीर्थरणमन्दिरा प्रभो गणपते परिपालय मां सततं त्वं प्रभो गणपते 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 गणपते.
Thank you, Ms. Komal, for your reverential invocation. Now I request our beloved principal, Dr. Shivakumar Aya, to welcome the gathering.
Very good morning to all of you, and hearty greetings from Siddhganga Institute of Technology, an institution ranked among the top 100 engineering institutions for 3 years in a row, along with IITs and NITs under National Institutional Ranking Framework, Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India. At the outset, I submit my reverential pranams at the lotus feet of His Holiness, Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumar Swamiji, Founder, President, Sri Siddhganga Education Society, and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, President, Sri Siddhganga Education Society. Respected Chief Guest of this inaugural function, E.S. Chakravarti, Global Resource Management Head, TCS, my esteemed HODs, Deans, my esteemed colleagues, my dear students and their parents. We have Srinivas Ramanujam from TCS, who is Academic Relationship Manager, and also Benzene Campus Lead, and Sindhuja from TCS. Hearty congratulations to all the students for having chosen SIT for your engineering and architecture studies. We have assembled here for the inauguration of first year classes for the academic year 2018-19, and we start these classes with the blessings of His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivakumar Swamiji and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, our revered President, has the onerous responsibility of looking after 125 educational institutions, and Sri Siddhaganga Gurukula, where 9,000 poor students of all faiths and communities are provided free food, shelter, and education. Sri Swamiji is a busy personality. In spite of busy schedule, Swamiji has kindly agreed to grace this occasion and bless all of us today. On behalf of all of us, I extend reverential welcome to His Holiness Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji. Tata Consultancy Services is a major recruiter of our students every year. TCS starts the placement process in Karnataka from SIT Tumkur. In the year 15-16, TCS offered a record 430 placements to our students, and we have broken the record of Brian Lara's 400 runs. TCS has also instituted Best Student Award and Best Project Award in our institute, and I acknowledge this gesture of TCS with a sense of profound gratitude. SIT TCS family proud member, respected Shri E.S. Chakravarti, Global Resource Management Head, Tata Consultancy Services, used to miss us on earlier occasions due to his hectic engagements, but today he has made it convenient to be with us to inaugurate the first year BEBR classes. Sir, it is a great honor and privilege to have you amidst us, and I extend a very hearty welcome to you, sir. Dear students and parents, you will experience a vibrant inaugural address by Shri E.S. Chakravarti later. Respected Shri T.K. Nanjundappa, Secretary Shri Siddhaganga Education Society has made it convenient to be the chief guest of this function. He is an embodiment of simple living and high thinking. He works very hard but declines to take credit in utmost humility, and he is our unsung leader. Sir, I extend a very cordial welcome to you. It gives me immense pleasure in extending a very hearty welcome to Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, our respected director, who is our friend, philosopher, and guide. I request him to preside over this inaugural function and deliver presidential address. It gives me great pleasure in extending a very warm welcome to all the first year students and their respected parents. I extend a very cordial welcome to the members of Board of Management, invitees, and all my esteemed colleagues. I extend a very warm welcome to Srinivas Ramanujam, Academics Relationship Manager, TCS. I extend a cordial welcome to Benzine, Campus Lead, who is looking after the placements of the students of various engineering colleges, and he used to visit us always. He starts the placement process from SIT in Karnataka. I extend a very warm welcome to Sindhuja from TCS. Before I extend a very cordial welcome to my esteemed colleagues again. Before I conclude, I have a couple of appeals for parents and students. Dear students, our management is magnanimous in providing excellent infrastructure and appointed good faculty members. I thank the management profusely for all the encouragement and support. I appeal to all the students to make use of the facilities and expertise of the teachers. We encourage the students to convert their innovative ideas into startups by providing the facilities and mentorship in our newly started incubation center. In fact, one parent came to me few days back. He has taken electronics and instrumentation engineering branch admission for his ward. He has asked me, my son is highly innovative, what are the facilities and support you are giving to my ward? I said, if he has innovative ideas, he can have his own startup. We will provide all the facilities, and also we will provide the mentorship. And he was very happy. Therefore, on this occasion, I appeal to all the students to make use of this. Already we have 6 students group startup ideas, and 2 alumni ideas, and 1 idea from the faculty members. Therefore, start from first year. If you have innovative ideas, please convert into product and have your own startup in our campus. I invite all the parents to visit SIT as many times possible, or at least once in a semester. Also, please visit us whenever there is a request from us. Please regularly be in contact with the faculty members about your ward's progress in an effort to affirm the success. Students can achieve success when responsibility is accepted with sincerity and integrity and purpose. If we all work together and communicate effectively, your individual and institute goals can be attained. More importantly, this institute has taken a decision of not allowing any boarder in the hostel to own and use motorbikes and cars. The students are welcome to use bicycles, and let us follow the model of IITs in this regard, and let us save our ecosystem for future generation. Then Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Mahatma Gandhi ji, the father of our nation, had said cleanliness is next to godliness, and sanitation and cleanliness are more important than independence. Thus, cleanliness and sanitation are integral part of Gandhian way of living. To fulfill Mahatma Gandhi's vision, Swachh Bharat, Clean India, our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji officially launched Swachh Bharat Abhiyan campaign, that is Clean India. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is very special to our Siddhganga Mutt and its institutions. Although this Abhiyan was officially launched on 2nd October 2014, it was informally launched on 24/9/2014 itself by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji when he visited our mutt, took blessings of His Holiness Dr. Shri Shri Shivakumar Swami ji and addressed the students of Sri Siddhganga Gurukula. We have earmarked 2 hours on every Wednesday between 4 to 6 p.m. in our timetable for Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, and I appeal to all the students to religiously participate in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan along with the teachers and staff members. I request all the heads of departments, faculty and staff members to lead the students in this Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Thank you all.
I thank our beloved principal, Dr. Shivkumaraya, for welcoming the gathering and delivering the welcome address. I welcome our beloved principal to this function. Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, meaning light leads us from darkness to light. I request His Holiness and all the dignitaries to inaugurate the first year classes by lighting the lamp. Burning lamp symbolizes knowledge, success, and peace. I thank all the dignitaries for lighting the lamp and by inaugurating the classes by lighting the lamp. Now we have impression by students. Firstly, I call upon Sushmita S. of 7th semester Electronics and Communication to share her impressions about SIT.
Pranam to the lotus feet of Dr. Shri Shukumara Mahaswami ji and Shri Siddhalinga Swami ji. A very warm good morning to our respected director, principal, deans, heads of department, loving teachers, parents and all freshers. It is both an honor and privilege to stand here, and I heartily welcome all our freshers to Siddhganga Institute of Technology. You have made a right decision for your career by choosing this institution. We are in this college primarily to study, and it forms the base of whatever we do. As all of you know, SIT being in an autonomous system, the management has tried to make best use of autonomy by introducing industrial training, allowing UG students to research under faculty advisors. Explore yourself, extend your limits, challenge your capabilities, take part in many activities as institution provides you to participate in sports. There are cultural groups, there are robotics club, and workshops for hands-on experience in projects. There is an IEEE group, New Age Incubation Network, which will help you to explore your ideas and make your dreams come true, to the market by funding for your ideas, entrepreneur development skills, and much more. There is a provision to take 8 SIM subjects so that you will be free for your internships and projects. Regular curriculum revision is done so that state of art could be introduced. Students also have a part in co-curriculum, and the institution allows all the individual to spread the wings of your freedom. But in the endeavor, be responsible, do not lose your track and reach your goals. Be enthusiastic. I'm happy to share my opinion. 3 years back, I was also like one among you. Chosen SIT, Electronics and Communication Department. Initially knew nothing. Then our seniors and faculties helped me to clear all my doubts, and they help us in our best development. Please make yourself free to ask questions or approach your faculties and clear all your doubts. Have a good communication with your faculties. SIT also gave me a chance to showcase my hobbies through cultural group and a departmental newsletter team. Had got an opportunity to go for IIT Kharagpur to do my internship and gain some knowledge of artificial intelligence and machine learning, deep neural networks. So explore yourself to the extent, and wish you all the success in this beautiful journey. And I'm very thankful to everyone for providing this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Sushmita, for sharing your impressions about SIT. Now I request Swasti Shri Bhatt, 7th semester Computer Science and Engineering, to share her impression about SIT. Swasti Shri Bhatt.
Good morning, everybody. My pranamas to the lotus feet of His Holiness Dr. Shri Shivakumara Swamiji and Shri Siddhalinga Swamiji. I am Swasti Shri Bhatt, 4th year from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, very much delighted to express a few words about our esteemed institution. Established in the year 1963, Siddhganga Institute of Technology is one among 125 institutions run by Shri Siddhganga Education Society, which bequeaths the motto, "Work is Worship." The mission of our institution is to continuously strive for the all-round development of the students by educating them in state-of-the-art technologies and by helping them imbibe professional ethics and societal commitment so that they emerge as competent professionals to meet the global challenges. SIT is sprawled over 50 acres of lush and serene landscape, affiliated to Vishveshwaraya Technological University and recognized by the All India Council for Technical Education. Our institution offers courses in 12 disciplines at the undergraduate level and 16 postgraduate programs. Amidst the greenery, infrastructure includes various departments with well-equipped laboratories, providing computer and internet facilities, 24/7 Wi-Fi facilities, additional IT-related facilities such as IBM Center of Excellence, Intel Intelligent Systems Laboratory, library which is housed in 2 independent 3-storied buildings with a collection of more than 1 lakh volumes, separate hostel for boys and girls, health center, auditorium, seminar halls, media center, classrooms with LCD projectors, amenity center for boys and girls, bank, ATM, post office, cooperative society and canteen. To encourage students in sports activities, a stadium for indoor and outdoor sports activities is constructed. To empower the youth to become entrepreneurs, under Government of Karnataka, SIT is one among the engineering colleges to have New Age Incubation Center since 2014. Technology Business Incubation Center is also providing incubation for startups. This is my privilege to say that our institution, with a full-fledged pack of different and a new sort of curriculum, framed in such a way, bringing up reforms every year, imbibing the upcoming technologies, is ensuring that each and every student is ready for the present world competition. Apart from this, research scholars are welcomed for PhD degrees in our research centers, and also students here are encouraged to work in research projects under the faculty guidance, publish papers, and participate in national and international conferences. Also, the students are encouraged to take up internships and gain strong industry work knowledge. All this is possible because SIT has well-qualified and experienced faculty members with PhD degrees and master's degree. We are grateful for having such wonderful faculties. Besides curriculum, students are motivated to take part in co-curricular activities. In this aspect, there are various student self-help groups for dance, theater, singing, band, etc. And also, for technical and personality development, self-help groups such as Pathfinder, Avalanche, Decoders, and many more are the great help to the students. 2 main cultural fests, Halcyon and Spandana, are organized annually. There are professional teams such as Soaring Eagles, Quest, and many more that help us harness interdisciplinary skills and technologies. Apart from these activities, there are various workshops, hackathons, and seminars organized during various times of the year. I am very much proud to say that National Institutional Ranking Framework, that is NIRF, has ranked SIT 78th rank in the country for the year 2018, 5th in top 12 engineering colleges in South India, and many more ranks are awarded to SIT. A very important role is played by the Department of Training and Placement, which helps the students by conducting personality development and placement-oriented training programs. Reputed companies such as TCS, Wipro, BEL, L&T, Informatica, Tech Mahindra, etc. visit our campus every year for placements, and it's ensured that students pass out with flying colors in the path of fulfilling their dreams. Last year, 109 companies visited our institute and 700 offers were made. Already placement season for this year have been started, and highest offer made so far is 13.13 lakh per annum by Cisco. Coming to the conclusion, SIT is one among the best engineering colleges where every student is helped to learn and grow for the better future. I also congratulate all of you, the budding future engineers, for choosing such a wonderful college, and I assure that you will cherish your years of study and have a bright career ahead. Finally, a millions of thanks to all of you who have lent your ears to my words so far. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Ms. Swasti Shribhat, for wonderful comprehensive impression on SIT. Now, impression by parents. I request Mr. Avnish Kumar Goyal, father of Aditi Goyal, first semester architecture, to share his opinion.
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Prabhu Shankar for giving me this opportunity to speak at this occasion, which is basically starting the life of the engineering student who has entered this institute. So, okay, when I was searching the college for my daughter who has joined here in the first year architecture, so I talked with the people who work with me, my bosses, and I got a very good feedback about this college. They, in fact, one of my previous boss who was VP of engineering, his daughter is also studying in the architecture branch, and then he told me the college is very good, and then the faculty itself is very good here. And the other thing which I liked about this college is, though it is not very far from the city, but it is not very remote, and it is in a place which is not in the middle of the city also. So that is, for example, I live in Bangalore, and then Bangalore, if I go to any college, you see a lot of concrete. There's no greenery there, and then there is a lot of noise. But if I see this college, it is not like that. It is far away from the hustle and bustle of the city, and it is still not very remote. That is one good point about this college. And this green environment is very much required for students to study. It gives a calm feeling to them, and then it is something actually they should cherish when they learn here in their 4 and 5 years. And other thing which I liked about this college is when I talked to Mr. Pai, who is the chief warden of this institute hostels. So he told me all the hostel facilities are maintained by the staff which work in the institute. It is not outsourced to somebody else. As if you go to any institute, most of the institutes in Bangalore, they provide all these services, and some of these services they outsource. I have worked in Bangalore for almost 20 years. I know most of the institutes and in fact companies, they outsource apart from their core work, most of the work to other outsourcing agencies. But that is not the case here. The hostel is operated by the institute. So that gives me a safe feeling that my daughter will be safe here. If she stays in the hostel, they'll take care properly. So, with that, actually, I would like to wish you all the best in your 4 and 5 years of engineering. You do best. And then there's a lot of new upcoming area, as Mr. Principal was saying. AI is there, machine learning is there, and then you have IoT. And I think there are a lot of students who have studied here. They are working some of the students are working in my team, and they told me that institute is actually changing their curriculum to adopt to this new technology, which is very good in this institute. Actually, many of the institutes who operate, who don't take these new technologies into their curriculum fast, they are not doing good things to the student, because the technology is changing very fast. So I wish you all the best. And at the last, I thank Swamiji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for wonderful feedback on SIT. Now I request Sri C. Ramappa, father of Gautami CR, student of first year Electronics and Communication, to share his impressions about SIT.
ಶ್ರೀ 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 ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳ ಪಾದಗಳಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳ ಪಾದಗಳಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಚಕ್ರವರ್ತಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ನಂಜುಂಡಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಚನ್ನಬಸಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರೇ, ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವೃಂದದವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಮಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳನ್ನು ಗೌತಮಿ CR ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ವಿಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ BA ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಆಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಸೇರ್ಪಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 1 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವೇತನವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಕೆಲಸಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬರೀ ವೇತನವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಶಿಸ್ತನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಶಿಸ್ತನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಮಗೆ ಬರೀ ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಓದ್ಬೋದು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಶಿಸ್ತನ್ನು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಓದಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಅವನ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಜೀವನ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಮೊದಲಿಂದಲೂ ಕೂಡ. ಆಗಲೇ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಮದ್ಯಪಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಧೂಮಪಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಈ ರೀತಿ ದುರ್ನಾಟಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನೇ ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳು ನಾವು ಎಂದೂ ಕೂಡ ಪೇಪರ್ನಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ಟಿ ವಿನಲ್ಲಾಗಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಮದ್ಯಪಾನ ಧೂಮಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲವು ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕೆಲವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಅವಳಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ರ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅವಳಿ. ಆ ರ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ರ್ಯಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಈ ಒಂದು ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ SIT ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಆತ್ಮಹತ್ಯೆಗಳು ಎಂದೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಶಿಸ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಂಥ ಅಕ್ರಮ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಅನೈತಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗೋದಾದರೆ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಧ್ಯಾಪಕರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇವರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಶಿಸ್ತನ್ನು ಮುಟ್ಟಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಂಥ ಕಡೆ ಓದಿಸಿದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉತ್ತಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಮಕೂರು ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನಾಡು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ತುಮಕೂರು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಇದೆ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣಕ್ಕೆ ಒತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ಮಠ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ತುಮಕೂರು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಇಡೀ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಮಕೂರು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದಿದೆ. ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಸಿದ್ಧಗಂಗಾ ಮಠ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆದ ಕಾರಣ ಇವತ್ತು ಟಾಪ್ 5 ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು SIT ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಠ ಪ್ರವಚನಗಳು, ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಟಾಪ್ 5 ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ SIT ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇಂಥ ಟಾಪ್ 5 ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ SITಯನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಯಾಕೆ? ಇಂಥ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಪೋಷಕರು ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪೋಷಕರ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪೋಷಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವರು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜು ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತುಮಕೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಸೀಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ಬೋದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ವಜನ್ಮದ ಪುಣ್ಯ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೋದು. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೋಷಕರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳ ಪಾದಗಳಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಸಿದ್ಧಲಿಂಗ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಗಳ ಪಾದಗಳಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಾನು 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your opinion. Now I request Chandan Nayogi, father of Aditi Nayogi, to share his opinion. I request the speakers to keep it to very short, their opinion.
Good morning. Namaskara. Respected Swamiji, Director sir, Principal sir, Dean sirs, Head of the departments, faculty members, our friends from industry, parents and students. I would like to share few lines from my experience. How did we come to SIT? My son, Anshuman Niyogi, he got admitted in electrical and electronics. Basically, by the end of last year, when all students were preparing for their CBSE grade 12 exam, we felt that was the time for us to do something, to find out avenue for them. What will they do? Which way will they go to build their academic career? Usual way, internet, we started searching, and it was totally confusing. We went through the websites of many colleges, didn't know where to go, where to apply. It was one of my friend, fortunately, who is an alumni of this college. He advised me, why don't you try SIT? By the beginning of this year, I made a personal visit to this college. Believe me, when I entered the campus, I felt I'm at the right place. Just the environment, just the ambient made me to feel so. And when I met Director sir, Principal sir, and when I learned about the services which are provided by this MOT, this Siddhalinga organizations, institutions, to the society, to the nation, that feel-good factor was, immediately it was converted into respect, high respect. Basically, what influenced me most is, when you are in this institute, you will feel that you are somewhere where it inspires you for study, and the discipline, the culture which they practice, these all things are really amazing. Without stretching it too far, I have some messages which I would like to share with the students. Please focus on study, maintain the discipline and the serenity of this institution. I know by the end of 4th year, you all will become engineers, very good engineers, I'm sure. You are in good hands. But before that, I would request you all, with the blessings of Swamiji, kindly try to build yourselves as good human beings. Thank you. Jai Hind.